There comes a time every year that Italians await eagerly for. The arrival of the IKEA catalogue. In a ritual that has lasted almost 30 years, our catalogue has become an object of desire. Packed full of great ideas you can steal. Literally. It happens in the mailbox. At the office. Even at home. But at IKEA, we're always thinking up new solutions. And we've thought about this too. That's why we've invented the Changing Catalogue. A special collection of covers designed to turn your catalogue into a magazine nobody would ever steal. Grotesque, disturbing, definitely niche. Can you think of anybody this passionate about streetlights? I can't. See, it works. Request your copy of the new catalogue with one of the covers at ikea.it. But hurry, sometimes the covers get stolen. Ah, spoons! I love them. Love spoons.